my name is Damien and welcome to this very quick mini series on everything that you need to know to design your own cover. So let's start by getting some of the obvious stuff out of the way first. Only do this if you really want to, or going to a designer just isn't an option. Because professionals do this sort of stuff day in, day out, and the end result is probably going to be better. Now I say probably because you kind of get what you pay for, right? If you're getting your cover for a fiver off of Fiverr, well then your cover's going to be worth a fiver. But don't forget that your time isn't free either, all right? One way that I like to do is I give myself an hourly value, say €20 an hour. So if it's going to take me all day to design my cover, or 8 hours, well that's €160. So if I can get a good cover for less than that, then it frees up my time to do something else. And in the long run, I'm saving money. Secondly, you kind of need to temper your expectations. Right. While you'll get better the more covers you do, there's going to be some covers that are going to be outside your skill set, outside your expertise. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Right? Just don't get discouraged if you're aiming for the Mona Lisa of covers and you end up with something like Monkey Jesus. Right? Simplification is going to be your friend here. Thirdly, don't be afraid to try again. Don't be afraid to throw everything out, and don't get married to a concept. All right? Even professionals, they'll set up a few different things before they settle on the final one. Now, all that said, designing your own cover can be a lot of fun, right? And it doesn't hurt to take a crack at it yourself. So let's get started.